that the population fluctuates around carrying capacity. Goes slightly above, slightly below, slightly above, slightly below. Depends on what resources are available. And so this is a logistic growth curve. And you've got to know all this information. So in the lag phase, slow increase, but the birth rate is higher than the death rate. And you know that because there's an increase. Then the geometric or exponential or acceleration phase. It's a phase of rapid increase with the rate of increase increasing, and the birth rate is much higher than the death rate. Okay? Decelerating phase, rate of increase slows down, birth rate still higher than the death rate. And then a stationary, A-R-Y, stationary, because it's not pens and pencils. If it was pens and pencils, it would be stationary with an E-R-Y, because pens and pencils have got an E. Or an equilibrium phase, where carrying capacity has been reached. Okay, and the number of births equals the number of deaths, population size more or less a constant, although it fluctuates around carrying capacity. Possible death or extinction phase, not the norm. Nobody interferes, not the norm. Okay, you happy with that? Sometimes referred to as sigmoid shape, but that's not the name of the curve. Okay, you happy? More homework.
When is this coming to?
Tomorrow. Don't look sad at me, because then you'll just get more tomorrow. You might as well do it for tomorrow. Why are you looking sad?
Me? Oh, I'm just thinking about the physics cycle test.
Oh, that's very sad. I'd be crying if it was a physics cycle test. So do you want to do it now?
Yes.
Okay.
What are we doing?
No, I thought I'd be nice and let you do it now.
That doesn't make a difference.
I know that's not the norm. Worries you.
Thanks, ma'am. Does someone have their...
Yeah, so somebody who's got a textbook, take a picture and send it around. Liv, I'm starting to worry about you. You're doing all the right things.
What? Even me, I was thinking about it and I was like, look at me go.
Look at my child go. Okay, so that's all the teaching I'm going to do today, Teresa. You okay? Okay. It's you. Yeah, just leave your cell phone here. Cell phone. Right. Some work? Yes, no, maybe, never. What does that mean? That's just unfair. But she's having so much fun and not sharing it. She's laughing to that extent. Don't you think that's unfair?
No.
Don't you want to be laughing and laugh?
Yeah, that's true.
Yes, mother. What?
Look at my nose. And I've been making notes every single day.
I'm impressed. Hey, you Oaks, do some work. What does that mean?
Mum,
Yes.
What's a couch? Like not the animal, the thing on the trick thing.
A cat, a common assessment task.
So what is that?
Are you talking about bio?
Yes,
Cat. We don't have cats anymore. We have pets. So, in what context are you asking me? If you tell me what context you're asking in, I can explain it. Yeah?
Oh no, Mum, just matrix have their thing next week.
They're pet.
Oh.
Pet. So it is a. You know, like you have prac exams. You had one in term 1. Do you remember?
What did we do?
I think you did contaminated milk powder in term 1. Yes. So that's an example of a PAT. So now the matrics do an externally set PAT. So all the IB kids that take biology through the whole country, same day, same time, write a PAT. So every school gets sent a list, put out these pieces of apparatus per desk. We don't know what you're going to be asked. And you come in, it's an official exam in a sealed envelope that gets cut in front of you, and you do it. No. We have no idea what's in the paper. But since last year, we do actually mark it. We didn't used to. We used to send it to the IB and they used to mark it. So we mark it and send it to them, and they select a sample and check that the marking is correct. And remember that then counts marks towards your matric portfolio. That's what it is.
Auntie, did you by any chance have a spare, like, file or like folder or something?
Folder.
Yeah, like any kind.
I might. Can it just be those presentation folders? space, water, etc. And it's starting to reach them. As I say, she's never seen a farm.
End of 21, the 7th of September, 45-minute lesson. Can't